Information that will take you from level 99 to level 100. Word usage. इसका मतलब क्या है? Word usage refers to using the correct word for the sentence based on meaning, grammar, and context. So common word usage types on the SAT are commonly confused words, जैसे कि incorrect version होगा their car is red. Correct is their, their, car is red. Why it was wrong? Because their refers to a location, not ownership. While their there refers to ownership. She wanted to lose weight. She wanted to lose weight. The one with double O is wrong because lose means not tight. LOAC means to shut. Look at the word choice in context. Just don't go with what sounds right. Example देखते हैं. The teacher returned the student's essay with detailed advice is advisory. Advice B जो कि एक noun है वो correct answer है. जो A part है with an S that is a verb and जो advices है that is not standard English. So the teacher returned the student's essay with detailed advice is the correct answer. Then you have to also be careful about the idiomatic expressions. Idioms are phrases native speakers just know are correct. They aren't always logical, but they are tested. So incorrect is she is capable to win. Correct version is she is capable of winning. He's interested for history is wrong. He's interested in history is correct. So the essay trick is memorize high frequency idioms like accused of, concerned about, different from. So they'll help you. Example क्या है? He is known dash his generosity. To, by, with, for. Answer is D. For. Known for is an idiomatic phrase. Preposition choice. Wrong preposition choices often create subtle errors. Incorrect version is she was excited on the trip. She was excited about the trip is the correct version. We complied to the rules. We complied with the rules is the correct version. Look for preposition swap answer choices. They're often used questions in disguise. So कुछ के अंदर जहाँ पे आप preposition swap हो जाते हैं उसके साथ वो ही basically word uses के questions भी होते हैं. Word form या diction errors. Some errors come from using the wrong form of the right verb, like using a verb instead of a noun. His quick dash surprised the panel. React, reaction, reacted, reacting. Reaction is the correct noun for the subject in the sentence. एक practice question देखते हैं. Although she was known for her determination, her dash approach to negotiation often caused frustration among her colleagues. Passive, passivity, pass, passion. So the tip is you need a noun after her. So the only noun is passivity. Next we have